Rhythmlink is a medical device company that manufactures, designs, and distributes neurophysiologic devices. So these are electrodes that go on or underneath the skin to monitor usually neurophysiologic signals, so anything to do with the spine, the brain, the nerves that come off the brain and the spinal cord. And we do this to try to identify and protect and prevent dangerous events from happening, like paralysis during surgery, seizures and strokes. Rhythmlink was founded because myself and one of my co-founders were actually clinicians. So we actually used the products that we now manufacture and sell. When we started to use these products in the operating room, all of the electrodes that would go on the patient's body to monitor the nervous system were reusable. So at the end of each surgery, the clinician would have to take all the electrodes off, clean them themselves, repackage them, get them re-sterilized at the hospital, and it was terribly inefficient. It was dangerous for the patients, it was dangerous for the surgical staff, and it was dangerous for people like me, the clinicians who were handling these electrodes. So we had decided that we should look into making these electrodes ourselves, but making them disposable.
I've got about 35 years of experience in the medical device industry, and I was an officer at St. Jude Medical back in 2018. For the last 2.5 years, I've been an advisor for Graham Partners. The thing that really made me gravitate to Graham Partners is the fact that when they make a purchase of an organization, they invest in it after the fact. It's no longer acceptable just to be able to do a spine procedure or a neurological procedure. You want to monitor the patient and know that they're safe the entire time and that they're doing well with the intervention that's undergoing. That technology, along with an aging population that has a greater demand for these types of procedures, really is exciting for us because I think we're going to see tremendous growth in this area and we're well positioned to capitalize on it.
I have been working with Graham Partners since 2008, helping them look at medical device and healthcare companies. I have been in this space for more than 30 years. I have worked with them doing diligence on a number of different companies. My involvement with Rhythmlink was more focused on sales team and sales compensation structures. In addition, worked with the consultants to look at the market size and also the regulatory framework for introducing new products and where Rhythmlink stood among all the other competitors in this market.
Partnering with Graham with us was a really easy decision. During the process, specifically, we saw that the experience that they had in our space, along with the operating partnership that they bring to the table and all of the consultants that they have on hand, really was a differentiating factor for us and made it a very easy decision from not just my point of view, but also from my management team's point of view, is that this is the company we want to partner with. This is the company that can help us take us to the next level. Right now, Rhythmlink is working on several really big, really exciting initiatives that we're taking on along with the Graham investment team and operations team, as well as their outside advisors.
Some of our key operational objectives, first and foremost, we want to de-risk our supply chain. So one of the major initiatives since acquiring Rhythmlink is to investigate where else we want to set up an operation. We've landed at Costa Rica. We believe we've got really good opportunities to expand quickly there.
We believe the sales expansion is an important aspect of the growth for Rhythmlink. We believe adding more salespersons to the team would expand the reach of Rhythmlink today.
With our sales team expansion, we've also been very lucky to be able to work with Srini and to have him help us better understand how we can expand the team, how can we more than double it, how can we think of different ways of selling into hospitals, GPOs and IDNs, leveraging and turbocharging the products and the reputation that we have and taking it to the next level.
Rhythmlink really has a great opportunity just because of so many of the technologies that are emerging now and the desire to do procedures more safely. Procedures have been done for a long time and now we can monitor the vital signals. I believe Rhythmlink is one of the companies that's state-of-the-art in terms of delivering that interface.
I am very excited by seeing the management and the innovation that already exists in Rhythmlink, along with the partnership with Graham and its advisors.
I personally believe that Rhythmlink is got just numerous opportunities in multiple segments within the industry. The future's bright, and I'm looking forward to being part of that.
Graham's a great partner for Rhythmlink because they understand what it's like to be a founder and an owner and someone who runs a company. Really excited with our partnership with Graham and what it's going to mean for us in the future. Very much looking forward to expanding our products in our markets, expanding our sales team, and ultimately down the line, pursuing and completing acquisitions.